Hello. So this is a special video for what to expect from the course, what materials have you purchased, and just some little housekeeping. So I'm going to start with congratulations. It's going to be a fun 8 weeks. I'm super excited. And I've got great coaches for you guys. And really all you need to do is make sure you protect that slot in your schedule every Wednesday night and come along and we will have a great time. So how the nights will work, 45 minutes roughly will be on screen where Dr. Neil Nedley is going to be teaching you. The first week, week 1, you will receive your books potentially, well you should. So I'm going to try to make sure we order them in time. That's why we have a registration, is just so we can order the tests and the books. So that's what you're buying. I've finished nearly all the books and rereading bits and pieces. So I'm going to start with the cognitive behavior. This one is called SOS for Emotions. It's really easy to read. It looks thick, but there's lots of pictures. So anyone who likes that sort of visual, this one's really great to help break down the emotions. This one, telling yourself the truth, is fascinating. It is probably a little bit more deep and very helpful and makes you think a lot. Now you're going to have your journal. So this is a journal that I suggest on day 1 you begin. And it probably will be a practice that you'll either do in the morning or in the evening before sleep, where you'll have a little bit of cognitive behavior information to read, and then a little bit of writing room where you can jot down some gratitude and a little bit of notes or so forth, reflections for the day. So that's going to help your thoughts and give you a lot more ability to have more positive, healthy thoughts. The recovery program manual is really this. It's a workbook. So what you're learning is great because some people are very visual, where this is actually working through what you're listening to on screen, but it's actually in a workbook form. So there's some little exercises to do. It's really easy to read and really helpful. And the biggest textbook is this one. So Dr. Neil Nedley's Depression: The Way Out, fantastic book. It is thick, so you don't need to read all this through that 8 weeks. It is resources for you to explore as you wish, but I definitely found that one really helpful to understand the brain on a much deeper level. So that's the physical resources. And then there's 2 DART tests. So the first week we'll be completing 1 in session 1, and then we'll be redoing the test in session 8. So when they show those statistics of 87% improvement in 8 weeks is from those DART tests. So that just simply means that that test is going to actually give you a personalized diagnosis, and then you get to reset it. So it really helps to have accountability but personalized attention. So personalized medicine means that what I need to do to improve my mental health specifically might be slightly different to what you need to do, or super different. And that test is going to give you clear feedback and guidance. And then resitting it will show you how much you've improved in 8 weeks or not, depending on how much you've applied. So some people that's very motivating. It definitely is to me. So I definitely love the test because it will show you also where your hit categories are. So when you're listening, you might be like, well, I don't have to change everything. For me to get better, I need to focus on this section and this section, or this lifestyle habit and this lifestyle habit. And that is going to improve your brain enough to get to the next step. So it's effortless. It's not painful. It's really fun and really effective. So the full name and your email is really important because I need that to actually access your personalized test. Now, if you've ever done this test before, I just require a different email than you've used because it simply won't work. So I just need a really accurate email that you want the test to be sent to you personally. I don't see the test, none of the other coaches do. You enter it online, we're just there to assist you on those days, and then you'll get it back. So that's how the DART test simply works. Then, after we enjoy our lecture from Dr. Neil, I'm going to be breaking you guys down into little groups where we're going to be doing a few drills to help analyze information, break it down, and maybe just dialogue a little bit as well.